Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and today I'll be collaborating with Evawigs. I'll be reviewing their 360 lace frontal unit. I'm not going to do any small talk. Let's just jump right into this video. This unit comes with an HD lace. I'm super excited about that because HD lace installs are usually fairly easy. As I mentioned, this is a 360 unit, so that means that there is lace all around the unit, which means that this is a good candidate for a wig that can be worn in a ponytail. Summer's coming up and you know it's hot, so wigs that you could throw in a ponytail are definitely a must. Also, this unit is a 13x6 frontal, which means that it's going to give you a lot of parting space. Now, the knots on this unit are pre-plucked, and the unit does come slightly bleached, and this is in 150% density. There's also an elastic band that is provided if you would like to use it. I am going to go ahead and put this on. One thing about these elastic bands, I will say that I kind of don't like because they come off really easy, and yeah, it's pretty annoying. So what I like to do is when I know I'm gonna wear the elastic band, I just take this and then I take my hand or my teeth, if I'm being real honest, but I'm not gonna do that because that's kind of ghetto right now.
Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto.
So I'm not gonna do that on camera, but if y'all wasn't watching, bite it closed. That's all you have to do to get this to close. Otherwise, it's gonna just kind of annoy you. As you guys can see, I did do a ball cap today. I haven't done a ball cap in a while. It's like me and a mannequin back there twinning right now. Yeah, I just kind of felt like doing a ball cap. So let me go ahead and try this wig on. So guys, let me give you a close-up of what this pre-plucked frontal looks like. I'm not going to pluck it. Shocker, I know. I always pluck, but I'm not going to pluck this one. I'm going to just go ahead and install it. And I will say that this wig does fit me pretty nicely. So it's really fitted along the sides, but it's not too tight. And this is their average wig cap, and my head size is about 22 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into this install. So dolls, when installing 360 wig, you wanna be sure and align the hairline up with your ears. So I'm gonna bring this one down so that this curves right along with my hairline. And then I'm gonna check to see that it aligns with the hairline on the left as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of my head first. Okay, I'm gonna put some got-to-be glue just on the midpoints of my hairline. So dolls, when I was applying the gel, I realized that I have my makeup on, and you don't want to really have makeup on when you're applying the gel, because when you put the gel on top of the makeup, it just, I don't know, in my opinion, it just smears the makeup and it makes the installs a lot less clean. So I just wiped it off, and now I'm going over the sideburns area and the forehead. And then I'm gonna come on top of that with the spray, and I'm just gonna spray the whole hairline. I'm gonna just wipe any of that excess spray off my skin before I tie it down. And I'm gonna leave that on for about 5 to 10 minutes and I'll be right back. And dolls, I just want to give you guys a quick glimpse of what the parting space on this unit looks like. This is a 13 by 6 frontal, which means you're going to get 6 inches of parting space. Of course, you guys know I'm going to go ahead and change this into a side part. And I'm using my new flat iron that I picked up from Amazon. I actually really like it. One of the things about this flat iron that really drew my attention was the teeth on the back of the comb. So that makes it really easy for laying down your frontals on the top. With the combs, it helps it to lay down a lot easier. And here I'm just going to make some quick baby hairs. I'm not going to bore y'all with the details. You guys see me make baby hairs enough on my channel. If you want to see more on how I do it, just feel free to watch one of my other videos. But this is basically what I did to achieve this look using my wet line styling gel. I'm going to use this comb that actually came with the wig. I'm gonna cut light layers in this. One thing I will point out about this unit is that it holds a curl very well and it's very easy to style. Put some gloss on to lay the rest of these flyaways down. I added my foundation back to my forehead, and now I'm going to just finish off by spraying this Silk Therapy Hold. And this gives a nice hold without making the hair stiff. To style it in a high ponytail, you will need the assistance of another person to help guide you on where to put the adhesive or glue. So I didn't have anyone to help me, but this is what it would look like. So dolls, as you guys saw, I did install this unit straight out the box. So this is a really beginner-friendly unit. As I mentioned earlier, it comes pre-plucked and ready to install, and no customization is needed. Just want to let you guys see what this looks like in the daylight. So dolls, let me go ahead and give you the specs on this unit one more time. This is the 20-inch 360 lace front unit from Evawigs, and this is in 150% density, and this is in 20 inches. I'm gonna let you see where this lays on me. As I mentioned, this is a 360 unit, so you can wear it up in a ponytail if you want. This is HD lace, which means that it's gonna be a lot easier to blend. However, I did have to go ahead and add some foundation powder to the parting area because the lace, although it's HD, it is transparent. And you guys know that when transparent lace, it doesn't really match with brown complexion completely. So I did have to add some of my face powder just to kind of get into the parting area. Now dolls, this is my second time collaborating with Evawigs. I just recently did a closure unit review for them not too long ago. If you are interested in closure units, please be sure to check out that video. I'll be sure to have it linked in the eye up above. One thing I will say is this hair is very soft. and easy to manage. I didn't really get any shedding or tangling while I was manipulating this unit. And so far, I'm pretty satisfied with the quality of Eva hair. This wig starts at about, I think, $139, but that's for a 10 inch. So this 20 inch is gonna cost you more than that because, as you guys know, the price goes higher with the length. However, I do have a couple of coupon codes for you to save some money on your purchase, and I will have that linked in the description box down below. So dolls, before we leave, I do want to leave you with some encouraging words and let you know that we have a lot going on right now, and it's okay to not be okay. Make sure you guys monitor the type of information that you're taking in. Try not to overconsume it because that can have an effect on your mental. And just always remember, God will have the last say so. So stay positive and stay encouraged and keep fighting the good fight. And if you're not part of the Faithful Fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And dolls, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.